Yo, what is happening, YouTube? It's your boy Earn once again, back with another episode of Before I Go. Something that I wanted to do before I go, so here we go. Gonna hit you with a short one today. We got a video that I'm dying to watch. I scrolled past on YouTube and threw it in the watch later list. Saved it for you, so we can watch it together. Even if you've seen it, let's watch it again and let's talk about it in the comments. You know what I mean? How you doing today? Hope you're doing fine. I'm doing great. I missed you. You looking good. You know what I mean? I see you drink your water. Went outside, got a little tan, you know what I mean? Enjoying the weather. Look at you. Being all healthy and shit. But yo, we finna get into it. It was posted by a page called Hollows. 1 in a million moments in nature. It's the caption. Let's see just how rare it is. You feel me? Let's get into it.
Hello there and welcome.
What exactly are we looking at right here? Is it a slow moving avalanche or some shit? Or is snow growing? Or is it falling from the top?
The incredible sight of a cave being illuminated by millions of glowworms.
Now that is fire. That's fire as hell. That's ridiculous. Remind me of the scene in Moana when they was down low at Lalatuk or some shit. Realm of monsters. Other monsters. But yeah, mystical and just ridiculous. Whoa. What? If I had to guess what that is, it look like they setting it's definitely a control burn. This is probably in Australia. I've seen pictures of Australia where it's like trees and like the whole like area just covered in spider webs. So I'm thinking this is like spider webs on the ground. I don't know how exactly that will work. I'm just trying to justify the setting the grass on fire. But when you look at it, it looks like the white part is burning, revealing fresh grass, which is even crazier. But then again, I don't think you could set fresh grass on fire without like, accelerant, because it's alive. That's why you can't burn like live sticks. You got to find ones that's been on the ground for a while.
Here we see a magnificent phenomena as a seemingly endless waterfall of clouds rolls over hills in Australia.
It's the all blue, Sanjay. We made it, boy.
And the flow of the water has cut a perfect circle in the ice, and it's been sitting here spinning around for a few hours. I saw it earlier and thought I'd come back and take a little video and share with everyone.
This beautiful and iridescent cloud was recently spotted in China.
That's a cloud? Wow. How?
Here is a mesmerizing display of volcanic lightning during an eruption in the Philippines in 2020.
Volcanic lightning. That's very fucking interesting. Never knew that was possible, but I've seen like that reminds me of some, I'm not even gonna lie, some Avenger shit, but I've seen it in like movies and things like that where like a volcanic monster would appear, you see lightning going off. I'm just thinking it's like they used it for the visual effect, not thinking it was scientific. That's good. Are you saying it's raining directly on his car and nowhere else? That's fire. Personal rain cloud. We all feel like that sometimes, or is it just me? Sometimes you get followed by that motherfucker. Ain't no way. That's nice.
This twitching pillar of light is known as a crown flash. It's one of the world's rarest natural phenomena, and it's still a mystery as to how they occur.
Guys, this is real. Straight from a horror movie.
It is?
No, I'm just saying, it looks like one. And it's moving
It
so
is
fast.
really?
Look!
I know.
It's the official Hell vs. Heaven.
You get in there, you going to Davy Jones' locker. Expeditiously. Immediately. Expediently.
Waarom ding?
Rapid. What? Thank God this shit like didn't make TikTok. Like, 'cause can you imagine everybody just on the beach or some shit just because it's glowing the shit doing the moonwalk and they got them beating their feet to death. People. The earth
The
is
waters
breathing.
of Australia's Lake Hillier are
Or is it-
bubblegum pink due to a mixture of bacteria and algae, and the great thing is, it's totally safe to swim in.
Oh no. You got the bubblies?
What's wrong, nigga? You got the bubblies? Man, fuck you.
This is the Devil's Woodyard mud volcano in Trinidad, and it erupts on average every 29 years.
Mud volcano. The more you know. Are they gonna show it going off though? Or is this it erupting? Did somebody live alongside this shit? That can't be a house. No, it's like probably a tents or something for a nature preserve. I would say you a bold motherfucker to live next to the Earth's anus. Cause that ain't nothing but diarrhea.
Incredible and rare footage of a rainbow that formed in a waterfall.
I like that. It makes sense though.
Miren, cabal, ahorita lo agarraste. Lo agarré, cabal.
Right. Spectacular, huh? The only thing that'll make it better is a fucking earthquake or a tsunami. Two national disasters going off all at once. Might as well add a third one, right? My God. Let's enhance.
Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll hopefully see you soon. Goodbye.
What the fuck was that, Ash? If you know what that is, let me know in the comments section. That was a good one. I enjoyed the hell out of it. I might check out some more. As you see, he has a part 2, so we might do that, see what else he got going on. He didn't describe everything. I guess everything can't be explained, or maybe he didn't want to take the time to explain it, but it was all very much interesting. If you have clues or if you know for a fact what any of this shit is, feel free to put us on in the comments section, because that's why I'm here. I'm here to learn. You know what I mean? I'm here to have theoretical and hypothetical conversations with intellectuals. And that can be you. You don't have to have a degree to be an intellectual. Just have a free way of thinking. In my book, according to my dictionary, my definition. But who the fuck am I? It's just your boy Ern. But I'm finna get up out of here. But before I go, try something new. Try something new wholeheartedly. Don't just do it just cause, you know what I mean? Try it and actually see if you like this shit. You never know. Peace.